Ready to ride the meme coin wave on Solana? First, make sure you have Phantom Wallet installed on your device. It's your key to the Solana meme coin universe. You can find it on the App Store. Fund your Phantom Wallet with Sol, Solana's native token, which you'll need and is essential for all transactions. Simply click Deposit and choose how you'd like to send Solana to your wallet. Next, access Solana dApps directly through Phantom's built-in browser. Tap the globe icon in the bottom navigation, which unlocks the door to decentralized exchanges, or DEXs. Head over to Raydium, a popular Solana DEX, and connect your Phantom wallet by clicking Connect in the top right corner. Select Sol in the top input field, then the meme coin you wish to purchase in the bottom output field. Approve the smart contract, and then enter the amount of Sol you'd like to trade. Double-check the details, especially the slippage tolerance, then tap Swap. Phantom will then prompt you to confirm the transaction. Review the details, pay attention to network fees, and then click Approve. Voila! The meme coins are now in your wallet. You can now track your meme coin investments right inside of Phantom. And that's it. You're officially trading meme coins on Solana with Phantom. Remember, meme coins are volatile. Trade safely and do your own research.